Hello and assalamualaikum everyone. So my name is Ahmad Nurhan Amsyar bin Nizar and my number matrix is 210298. So today I will explain about new assignment of microprocessor, which is set up X86 um, programming environment. So for the first one, this is the content of memory, which is variable data. It contains value of 0x1000, 0x2000, 0x3000 and 0x4000 in hexadecimals. So we go through the assembly language. So for the first one, it subtract EAX by EAX in SF. So it will clear the register of EAX. So after we step over this line, the content of EAX becomes 0. So next, we move ECX to 0 at 04. So we set the counter to 4. So as we can see here, ECX is equals to random variable. After we step over this line, it will become 4. So it goes same through ESI. It will set offset to 8. So the ESI become the value of 0x08. So here becomes 0x8. So next we go through the function of AW. So for the first one, it decrement SI by 1. So just now we set ESI to 8. So after we step over this line, it becomes 7. So it same goes through line 15. It will decrement SI by 1. So next we add number to register X. So as we can see here, there is value of data. So it will add to the register X. So as we can see here, the EAX become 0x4000. So for the line 17, it will loop AW function, loop to label AW CX equals to CX minus 1. So as we can see here, ECX is 4, and after we step over this loop, it will become 3. So it will keep looping until ECX becomes 0. So it's become 3. So after we add number to register AX for the second times, it will add the value of 0x3000. So it will become 0x7000. So next, it will loop AW again until ECX becomes 0. So after this line 17, it will become ECX will become 2. So 0x9000, because it 0x7000 add with the value of 0x2000, and the last one, it will add the number register of EAX with the value of data. So it will become 0xa, which is 10,000. So after this line, ECX equals to 0. So it will exit the loop and it will clear EDX by EDX subtract to EDS itself. So EDS will become 0. So next we set the divider to 4 data. So ECX, as we can see here, ECX equals to 0. After we step over this line, it will become 4. So for the next line, we will divide the content of AX with the CX. So which is AX will divide to 4. So as we can see here, the value of EAX is 2800 in hexadecimal. So we will print out the output. So it goes output 2800. It save at register EAX and with the value of 10,240 in base 10. So after that, we will exit the program. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening.